In this video you will be shown how to test your Razer E100 battery for volts and amps. To test your battery you will need a battery tester, which you can purchase from all good hardware stores, or alternatively visit a local Halford store for support. To test the first battery, connect the black clamp from the tester onto the metal part of the black wire in the white connector from the battery. Then connect the red clamp from the tester to the metal part of the red wire from the battery shown here. You will then get your reading. To test the second battery, connect the red clamp to the metal part of the red wire from the battery shown here. Then the black clamp to the metal part of the black wire from the battery shown here. Make sure you test both batteries and your clamps are secure, otherwise you will get no reading. After fully charging both batteries, you should read 13 volts and 3.5 amps for optimum performance. You now know how to test your battery for volts and amps.